Good morning. Today we're doing digital, so let's get started. So my hair might look a little crazy. I did it last night, so it's has yet to come back down from the sky. So with digitals, what's really important is that you look like yourself. So I could just go take my digitals just like this, no makeup. Honestly, some agencies prefer no makeup, but my agency, we just do a little bit, just a little bit. And the point is to just enhance your features and hide imperfections. Like, mainly, I don't want people to know how tired I am. So first things first, go with your usual hairstyle and minimal makeup because you want to look like you. Second of all, we're gonna get an all black outfit. I'm gonna play around with my hair a bit, and then we're gonna do makeup. Something to note, if you're applying to agencies and you want to do some sort of big transformation on your hair or on your body, do it before you get the digitals, because then you're just gonna have to get new ones. Okay, so now we're ready to do makeup. I'm gonna put my hair out of the way. I don't know where my clips are right now. I only have about 15 minutes to do my makeup, so we're gonna do it real quick. It's a good thing we're doing no makeup today because we don't have a lot of time. I'm starting with this primer. It's the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I used it yesterday and it was so good. And at the end of the day, my makeup was not... You know when your makeup starts doing that thing where it just looks kind of chalky at the end of the day? Not with this baby. I don't know. I just got lucky, but I'm loving this one. So I'm gonna be very careful. Yes, the Bayang. As a base, I'm gonna be using this Goop sunscreen or glow screen. I used this the other day and a lot of you guys were like, oh, you look good, girl. So I'm like, I passed the test for sure. It's almost like a CC cream. I don't know what it would be considered, if it's makeup or not, but I feel like it looks like just like healthy skin. So the main makeup that we're going to be using today is the concealer because, as you can see, I haven't got my 8 hours in the past 2 days. I know. I'm going to cover my pimple. We're just going to let that set, and then I'm going to start doing the rest of my face. So we're going to do just a tiny contour, but I don't want it to be too intense, so I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this Halo Glow, because we were really going for that. Are you wearing makeup or are you not wearing makeup? What's going on? The color I made, it's pretty subtle. I want to start high. I promise I'm not giving you guys a finger, but you're going to start high and then drag it down the jawline. Go ahead and blend. Sometimes I fill in my eyebrows, but most times I don't, so for my digitals I'm just gonna keep it au natural. Oh, maybe I do need to fill in my brows. I got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name. And I got this tip from a makeup artist. Take the end of the brush and just, I don't know if it makes a difference, but so our brows are laminated for the day. Okay, and now we're just gonna blend that concealer. Another tip I learned from a makeup artist, but this one was on TikTok. Just like blend the under eye last on your concealer. I'm like, okay. I think it was Rosa Nasty. Not sure if that's her user, but at the top of my head, that's her name for me. Okay. One reason I love that glow screen is like you can still see the shine under my concealer, so it looks very natural. Okay, this is the base. Now we're gonna add to the base. This is a really natural looking blush. I love it. It goes with almost everything. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And also, I feel like it's good to wear makeup in digitals, like natural makeup, because I mean the camera usually washes you out. And especially on a day like today, it's super gloomy. Like if it was sunny, maybe it wouldn't wash me out as much, but I mean, that's the whole reason we do makeup on camera, is to make everything pop, but doing a natural pop. Okay, cute. Gotta melt this all together. I'm probably gonna do my mascara off camera, but I recently uploaded a lash tutorial. But if you didn't see it, it's gonna be these, okay? Except I'm only going to be using one coat of the Hella Thick because it's hella thick. And I want a more natural lash, so we're going to do that. And didn't do my mascara yet. But I am dressed. So we're moving on to what to wear during your digitals. And didn't do my mascara yet. But I am dressed. So we're moving on to what to wear during your digitals. So I always like to bring a black bodysuit. Sometimes I bring two because it's always good to have options. And this one's pretty casual, and this one my agent liked a little bit better last time, so I think I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna bring a few bottoms options. We have these dark blue jeans and black dress pants, and this is the least likely, but black tights. And you're also gonna need a pair of black heels. Okay, and these are my old trusty black heels. Okay, all right, so those are the main pieces that you need to take your digitals. Now let's head to the studio. I'm so glad I waited to do my mascara because my hair is shrunk. I'm gonna need to flip that back out. We are officially on our way to the agency. So we have an issue. The shirt that I was wearing on top totally left some evidence. So hopefully my agency has a lint roller. If not, we're screwed. All right, we are on set. It's time to spring into action, no pun intended. First of all, it's good for the photographer to do some tests, make sure everything's looking good.
Start in 3, 2, 1.
And it's good to do some various poses. I suggest practicing in the mirror. You know what looks best for your body. Make sure your head is high, shoulders back, switch up the legs.
Nice, get a pose and nice. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Let's do some smiles. In 3, 2, 1. Good. Nice.
So basically,
Good.
From like a
Over from here.
t-shirt.
Oh, I see.
And I tried to fix it with self-tanning yesterday. It didn't work.
Where's good. Good. So yeah, let's start facing forward, and then we'll do a 45 and then complete profile.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job.
Thanks.
And then,
So photographer, please.
what's up?
So a good photographer will give you feedback, encouragement, and show you your photos at the end if you're lucky. I often get lucky if I'm doing a creative or working with Louise. So yeah, when you apply for an agency, they'll ask for various poses. Most agencies are looking for the same collection of shots. Your digitals are usually what's submitted for a job, and that's how mine turned out. Additionally, it's pretty standard for an agency to ask for your measurements.
you too. You want a drink?
And that's it. That's how I do my digitals. Thanks for watching. Bye!